story of the little ant's big lesson on teamwork. Welcome to Inspire Animation, where we bring you captivating stories that inspire young hearts. Today, we have a special tale called The Little Ant's Big Lesson on Teamwork. So sit back, relax, and get ready to embark on an exciting journey. Once upon a time, in a bustling meadow, there lived a community of hard-working ants. Among them was a little ant named Andy, who had always dreamed of doing something extraordinary. Andy was known for his incredible strength, but he often felt that his abilities were not being fully utilized. One sunny day, a massive tree branch had fallen across the ants' path, blocking their way to the food source they desperately needed for their colony. Andy, determined to prove himself, decided to take matters into his own hands. He thought that he alone could move the heavy branch and save the day. But little did he know, he was about to learn a valuable lesson about the power of teamwork. Just then, Annie, another ant from the colony, approached Andy with a kind smile. Annie: "Hey, Andy, you don't have to do this alone. Let's ask our friends for help. Together we can accomplish anything." Andy hesitated at first, but realizing the truth in Annie's words, he agreed to seek the support of his fellow ants. The little ant duo rallied their friends, explaining the situation and the need for teamwork. The other ants, inspired by their determination, joined forces. With everyone working in harmony, the ants pushed and pulled with all their might. Slowly but surely, the massive branch began to move. Together they achieved what seemed impossible. The path was cleared, and the ants rejoiced as they reached the abundant food source they had been longing for. Andy learned a valuable lesson that day. True strength lies not in individual power, but in the power of unity and teamwork. And so, dear friends, remember the lesson of the little ant. When we work together towards a common goal, we can accomplish great things. We hope you enjoyed the little ant's big lesson on teamwork. Don't forget to subscribe to Inspire Animation for more exciting stories that will fill your hearts with joy and inspiration.